The National Weather Service in Leaf City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, western Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. 3 to 5 inches of rain have fallen. Storms with average rainfall rates of 1 inch an hour will move over the area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include western Rosenberg, Wharton, Meadville, East Bernard, Fulshire, Cleve, Fairchilds, Beasley, Kendleton, Orchard, Pierce, Bowling Waco, Hungerford, and Egypt. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
It can be problematic. So if you've had